Okay, so earlier today, maybe about 30 minutes ago, I got this warning sign on my dash about it was in red and it had a sign that said visit workshop, and it had a symbol of a battery in red. So this car has two batteries, and I now the weird thing is that that sign disappeared. Now it's no longer there. So I want to check. I was driving, but I kept the car running, and I want to check if I want to check a few things to check what might be going on. So one of the first thing I want to check is if my alternator belt, my serpentine belt, is intact. That is, basically the alternator is if the alternator is being driven by the drive belt. So I'm going to still have the car running. It's parked, but I'm going to check the alternator. Oh, there it comes back again, the sign, visit workshop. So I want to first check if the alternator side of things, if the belt is okay. So I've popped the lid open. That's the alternator, and it looks like the belt is okay. And this car has two batteries, like I said. One of them is the battery. This is the auxiliary battery. It says battery in trunk. That's the main battery is in the trunk. This is the auxiliary battery, but this is used for the SPC brakes, these are the SPC brakes controller. So this battery is below this hub. I'm going to check the voltage on this battery with my multimeter, and the other battery is actually in the trunk. So for that I'll have to open the trunk and check the battery in the trunk. So I'll do that next. But essentially this is that sign. So I'm going to pop the trunk and get my multimeter and check the voltage on both of those batteries. I think I can turn off the car for now because I won't need to start the car engine, at least immediately. So I'm going to first check the batteries, and I can pretty much stop the car now and go and get the multimeter to check the two batteries.